Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to share details about Cyber Pepe token. This token is a next meme coin and you can also get this exciting community in my video description. You can find all this link to, and this video is for educational purpose. Do your research on where you can find the lightning fast transaction meme coin working on Solana. You can also hold it as you are also going to be a fan. There is also contract address. You can explore it as Cyber Pepe on the Solana with lightning fast transaction presale is now live on the PinkSale. If you want to join, you can also come to this site here where you can also get some more details about that. What is Cyber Pepe? How did this work? And what is the basic information? You can find everything is here Cyber Pepe presale. That is also now going to end after 30 days. You can also join and you can also hold it because your future is here. You can also get this Battle of the Neon Fist and skill-based play to earn with game on Solana, where you can find AI foes you can defeat them. Yes, there is also play to earn gameplay. Your skills you reward with 2 to 5% each reward burn via smart contract, and you can also get here many other details too. What is soft cap? How you are going to join in the public sale? You can even get there is also time has been mentioned. Not only this, you can come to this site, official link has been attached, and now you can also get here is digital, like partner as PinkSale, days DEX screener and so on. You can get this meme coin as a play to earn game, where you can find ultra low transaction fees, lightning fast transaction, and you can even join them on their social media links too. If you want to know how this is looked like, Cyber Pepe community where you can also shoot the laughter and dear fans in the meme with enthusiast is here. You will also get update on the Telegram group and meme reward program. So be ready to join, and this is very amazing for you that you are going to claim the reward as you can also come to Cyber Pepe for something really innovative. And you can also get their tokenomics details too. So everything is just like very simple and user-friendly because there is strategic partnership with the collaboration, and there is Cyber Pepe. With the expanding meme reward and more ways to get redeemed reward in the meme creation, a very simple interface. You can even find there are many sample videos too. So you can also join and grab these features that are available, and that will also give you help. So I hope you have understand about it. You can follow them on the social media links to Cyber Pepe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. So here you will also join that. This is final moment. Cyber Pepe token. You are also going to join with the presale that is now live on the PinkSale. This is working on Solana, and there you can even find the vault of DeFi. Movement is here. You should not miss out, because presale officially has been launched on the PinkSale. You will also be a member to get all the related details upside. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.